Nossa, Charlie!
Well, where can they catch you? Are you coming out in any shows?
Actually, the next song we're going to sing is the theme song of one of my shows. And we're going to have a series of shows coming out with that same theme song throughout the whole year.
So is this coming out on the evenings? When is it going to come out?
Afternoons and evenings starting March. They can look forward to it the whole 2000.
Pwede naman sabihin yung title?
Well, they're all Precious Hearts.
Precious Hearts?
So expect 3 shows from Precious Hearts, 3 different stories, 3 wonderful love stories to make your heart beat.
So sino yung partner mo doon?
Naku, madami. Madaming partner po.
We love you,
Surprise
Coco!